Alrighty, Carowinds has just announced their 2027 brand new ride, Rip Roarin' Falls. And to be honest, it is actually impressive. But for those of you that have been paying attention to the surveys that have been getting sent out to a ton of parks, this is looking very familiar. As a Canada's Wonderland content creator, I of course am going to link this back to my home park, Canada's Wonderland, and this exact ride by Whitewater has been on a recent survey in aspect or retrospect to a future attraction. So this is really awesome to see it come to life at Carowinds. I know that this specific ride has been kind of known. Obviously not the manufacturer and all those little fine details have been known to be coming to Carowinds. But I will say this is a lot better than what I thought was coming to Carowinds. So I'm very impressed with the announcement. I'm very impressed with the ride itself. I think this is such a great fit for Carowinds, and the name paying tribute to the raft ride that Carowinds removed is truly awesome as well. But yeah, this is awesome. I could totally see a lot more parks in the chain getting something like this as well. So that's exciting. And the fact that Canada's Wonderland was surveying about it for a future edition speaks volumes as well. Do I think this is exactly what Carowinds needed? Yes, I do. I don't know if other content creators are saying that yet. I haven't had a chance to go and watch other people's videos on this yet. And as someone that it doesn't frequent Carowinds, I will say I'm probably going to get some information incorrect or say something that's a little, off. But I do think this is exactly what Carowinds needed. Carowinds is almost like a mid-tier, low mid-tier park in the chain. Ever since the last couple of seasons, their attendance has dropped, and I think that Carowinds has been building a very strong family foundation to start bringing families back, because I know a lot of us enthusiasts don't like to admit it, but families are the core foundation of a pyramid in terms of attendance and spending at parks, especially the old Cedar Fair parks. So Carowinds needs to get its roots back in, and I think they've been doing a fantastic job at those additions to get that core. And then eventually a massive thrill ride will be in the works as well. But I'm using the word family, but it's funny because that's to counteract myself. I wouldn't exactly call this a family edition. That's the funny thing. But the theming and the location, the ride it was replacing was more family target. But the fact that this is as tall as it is and large as it is could be a little too scary for the average family. So to be the little devil's advocate here, I shouldn't necessarily be using the word family. But nonetheless, I think it's the perfect addition for Carowinds. I would love to see more parks get this log flume. And Whitewater's got some pretty impressive attractions out there. And as someone who knows a lot about the water attraction industry and the waterslide industry, Whitewater does offer a very good core product at a much cheaper rate than its competition. So it's no wonder that we're seeing the old Cedar Fair Park / new Six Flags chain working with Whitewater, because they do provide a pretty elite product at a very reduced price compared to its competitors. So I wouldn't be shocked if we see more Whitewater products in the lineup at some of these other parks in their announcements for 2027. I believe that's all I have to say. I'm so sorry it's not my home park, so if I've missed any other core details, feel free to comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. And who knows, maybe Canada's Wonderland will be the next park to announce this down the road, obviously. Don't mix this up. Okay, so I'll add this part in. So we all know that little pre-Six Flags announcement with that major $1 billion spent across the portfolio that didn't actually end up coming to fruition. Only some parks stuck to it, like Carowinds, just a year delayed. Canada's Wonderland was on there with similar wording, but different wording, and this is not what that was supposed to be, that record-breaking water attraction at Canada's Wonderland. That is what I believe was supposed to be our water coaster in the water park. Now, again, we would have seen a lot more land clearing, like Carowinds was seeing a lot of land prep, a lot of land clearing, stuff like that. Even if it was for 2027, we would have already been seeing land clearing. So don't get it mixed up. I know a lot of people, I've seen it out there, so I have to comment on it. This is not our 2027 edition. But yeah, thanks so much. Congratulations, Carowinds. If I was a Carowinds home parker, I would be very impressed with this edition and excited. Thank you so much. Have a good one, guys. Bye.